Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0630, indicates that the vehicle identification number, VIN, is either not programmed or there is a mismatch in the Honda Accord 2017 to 2023 models. This error typically shows up when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, lacks the necessary VIN information. The PCM is a crucial component of the vehicle's electronic systems, primarily responsible for controlling the engine and other vital systems. The VIN is a unique identifier for the vehicle, much like a fingerprint. Without the correct VIN information stored, the PCM can't function properly, which can lead to performance issues or incorrect diagnostics. The presence of this DTC prompts a specific series of troubleshooting steps to accurately diagnose and resolve the problem. The error code P0630 pertains specifically to the PCM and its connection to the VIN. The PCM, located typically under the dashboard or near the engine bay, manages various engine functions and communicates vital information across different modules in the vehicle. It ensures the engine operates effectively, calibrates fuel efficiency, and aids in emissions control. The VIN, found on the driver's side dashboard and on a label inside the driver's side door, serves as a unique identifier for that specific vehicle. In this case, the PCM must have the correct VIN programmed into it to ensure correct vehicle identification and functionality. If the VIN is absent or incorrect, the PCM cannot perform diagnostics or control engine functionalities accurately, which can lead to various vehicular issues. The code P0630 can arise from a few potential causes. The most common issue is that the PCM does not contain the VIN information, which is essential for vehicle identification. This can happen if the PCM was replaced or reprogrammed and the VIN was not entered. Software issues within the PCM itself can also cause this error, where the internal programming may not be working correctly or is corrupted. Additionally, compatibility issues might arise if a non-compatible PCM is installed, leading to mismatched vehicle data. Each of these causes necessitates specific troubleshooting to ensure the PCM has the correct VIN and is functioning as intended. Therefore, it is crucial to investigate the history of the PCM and any relevant repairs or changes made to the vehicle. When DTC P0630 is present, several symptoms may manifest in the vehicle's operation. The most apparent indication is the illumination of the check engine light, alerting the driver of a fault that requires attention. This condition can also lead to noticeable performance issues. For instance, the engine may not run smoothly and power delivery might be inconsistent. Furthermore, since the PCM uses the VIN to perform several engine diagnostics, there could be a failure during an emissions test, as the PCM won't be able to properly verify the vehicle's compliance with emission standards. If the vehicle exhibits any of these symptoms, the corresponding DTCs should be addressed promptly to restore the vehicle's optimal operation. To begin troubleshooting for DTC P0630, the first step is to turn the ignition switch to on mode without starting the engine. This action powers the various vehicle systems, including the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Next, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, you will check if the displayed VIN matches what is expected for the vehicle. The HDS provides detailed diagnostic and operational information about the vehicle's electronic components, including whether the VIN is programmed correctly in the PCM. If the HDS shows the vehicle's VIN, you will proceed to the next troubleshooting step. If it does not display the correct VIN, further actions will need to occur to correct the mismatch. If the HDS does not show the correct VIN after the first step, The next crucial step is to input the correct VIN directly into the PCM using the Honda Diagnostic System. This procedure ensures that the PCM has the exact VIN data associated with the vehicle it controls. After inputting the VIN, check the HDS again to see if it confirms that the process is complete by showing a status of complete. Achieving this status indicates that the VIN has been successfully programmed into the PCM. It's essential to ensure that the procedure was executed correctly. Otherwise, you may need to reattempt this step or investigate if there are any discrepancies impacting the update process. After confirming that the VIN has been correctly entered, the next step is to check for any pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS once again. This check is important because other issues may also be present beyond the VIN mismatch, notably the error code P0630. This code relates to the PCM internal control module Keep Alive memory error, indicating a potential internal fault within the PCM. Should the HDS reveal DTC P0630, further troubleshooting for this specific code is warranted, as it suggests additional problems that could affect vehicle performance. Conversely, if no such DTCs show up, you will move to the next troubleshooting step. The final troubleshooting step involves clearing any present DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System. This function resets the PCM's memory, allowing the system to reevaluate the vehicle's operational state afresh. You'll start by selecting the option to clear DTCs through the HDS. Following this, turn the vehicle to the off lock position. Wait a few moments and then turn the vehicle back to on mode. It is advisable to wait around 5 seconds before checking again for pending or confirmed DTCs. If DTC P0630 reappears, it suggests that there are unresolved issues within the PCM or associated systems. Conversely, if no DTCs are indicated upon recheck, it may imply that the system is functioning properly at that time, with no further actions needed. After completing all troubleshooting steps for DTC P0630, it is essential to carry out a final verification of the repairs made. This should include checking for any authorized service information that may provide guidance or additional considerations based on the PCM error codes encountered. If any further symptoms are persistent, or if DTC P0630 continues to recur, it may be necessary to consider replacing the PCM itself with a compatible and functioning unit. This ensures that the vehicle's engine management system operates correctly and addresses any underlying causes not resolvable through previous diagnostics. Final inspection helps assure the reliability and efficiency of vehicle performance. Preventive maintenance is crucial to avoid future occurrences of DTC P0630. One effective way to prevent such issues is to regularly update the PCM software whenever applicable, especially after any significant vehicle repair or component replacement. Keeping accurate records of all repairs and maintenance ensures that technicians can make informed decisions during future diagnostics and troubleshooting. This documentation should include information on any PCM changes, VIN updates, and any previous error codes. By being proactive in maintenance and thorough in record keeping, you help promote the longevity and reliability of your vehicle's electronic systems and overall performance. In summary, understanding the importance of the VIN for the proper operation of the Powertrain Control Module is key when faced with DTC P0630. Following the structured troubleshooting steps ensures a comprehensive assessment and resolution of the coding issue. Each diagnostic step is designed to isolate potential faults systematically, minimizing the chances of overlooking critical components or conditions affecting performance. After resolving the error, It is equally important to engage in preventive measures like regular checks and keeping meticulous records of maintenance activities. These practices not only enhance the reliability of the Honda Accord, but also promote optimal engine performance and extended vehicle lifespan. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.